Will my insurance cover hearing loss surgical interventions? If you're wondering whether your insurance will help pay for surgeries to treat hearing loss, you're not alone. Many people want to know if procedures like cochlear implants or other surgeries are covered. The answer depends on your insurance plan, the type of surgery, and your medical needs. Medicare and private insurance plans often cover certain surgical treatments when they are considered medically necessary. For example, cochlear implants are devices surgically placed to help people with severe or profound hearing loss perceive sound. Medicare usually covers cochlear implant surgery if you meet specific medical criteria, such as having a confirmed diagnosis of severe hearing loss and limited benefit from hearing aids. Coverage is split between Medicare Part A, which covers hospital inpatient services, and Medicare Part B, which covers outpatient procedures and doctor visits. Medicare Advantage plans, which are private plans approved by Medicare, are also required to cover these surgeries, but costs can vary depending on the plan. Private insurance plans often follow similar rules. They tend to cover cochlear implants if your doctor states the procedure is medically necessary. This usually involves an audiological assessment and medical evaluation to confirm that surgery is appropriate. The coverage typically includes the device itself, the surgical procedure, and any accessories needed for the implant to work properly. However, each insurer has its own policies, so it's important to check with your insurance provider beforehand. Other surgical options like bone-anchored hearing systems, sometimes called BAHAs, may also be covered if your doctor recommends them and they are deemed medically necessary. These devices are surgically attached to the skull to help transmit sound, especially for people with specific types of hearing loss. When it comes to hearing aids, most Medicare plans do not cover them because they are often seen as elective devices. Some private insurance plans and Medicare Advantage plans might offer partial or full coverage for hearing aids, but this varies widely. Medicaid may also cover hearing aids in some states, but coverage rules differ depending on where you live. Medicare Part B does cover diagnostic hearing and balance exams if your doctor orders them to determine the need for treatment or surgery. These exams are usually a necessary step before insurance will approve a surgical intervention. Even if your insurance covers surgery, you might still need to pay deductibles, co-payments, or co-insurance. The exact costs depend on your specific plan and the procedures involved. To avoid surprises, it's best to contact your insurance company and your healthcare provider before scheduling any surgery. They can help clarify what will be covered and what your out-of-pocket costs might be. In summary, surgeries like cochlear implants are often covered by Medicare and many private insurers when they are medically necessary. Coverage for hearing aids and other non-surgical devices is more limited and varies widely. Always check with your insurance provider and healthcare team to understand your individual coverage options. Remember, each person's situation is unique, so personalized advice from your medical and insurance professionals is essential.